In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident sending documents, images, or any other file right inside a Teams conversation, so everyone has what they need in the same place. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in your web browser or through the desktop app if you already have it installed. Make sure you're signed in to the correct work or school account so you share files with the right people. Having the file you want to share saved on your device ahead of time will make this even smoother. Next, choose the chat where you want to share the file. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Simply select the conversation from your chat list so the message box appears at the bottom of the screen. Keeping your sharing inside the relevant chat helps everyone stay on the same page and avoids version confusion later. Now, in the message area, look for the option to attach a file and click Upload from this device. This opens your computer's file picker, where you can navigate to the exact folder holding your document, image, or other file. Select the file you want to share and confirm. Teams will attach it to your message. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before you send. You'll see the file name and a small preview or icon, which is a good way to double-check you picked the right item. Once the file is attached, type a short message to give your teammates context. For example, note what the file is, why you're sharing it, and any specific action you need, like please review by end of day or this is the final version. Clear context helps everyone act quickly and reduces back and forth. When you're ready, click Send. Your message and the attached file will post to the chat, so recipients can open, download, or add comments in one place. That's it. You've opened Teams, selected the correct chat, uploaded the file from your device, added a helpful note, and sent it. A quick tip, after sending, you can always verify the attachment by hovering over the message to see the file details. Also, keep in mind that organizations may have size or type limits. If you see an error, check the file size or try a different format. Thanks for watching. Follow these simple steps whenever you need to share a file in Microsoft Teams, and you'll keep your conversations organized and your team moving forward.